Now there is a reason why ceilings are painted white and why that paint tends to be flat. And I'm going to tell you all about it coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of Seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, can I just say welcome to you. We're a home improvement channel where beginners are welcome as well. At the top of the video, I talked about ceilings being painted white. No matter what color the room is, they tend to be white. And there's a reason for that. And the paint also tends to be flat. Now I want to encourage you to stay to the end of the video because there's going to be a bonus segment that shows you how to get windows, well, that have been painted shut, open again, and how to prevent that from ever happening again in the future. There's a little tip, so you'll want to stay to the end of the video. So ceilings in a room traditionally tend to be white, and that paint, well, it tends to be flat. And it doesn't really matter what color the room is, whether or not there's paneling or there's wall coverings. The ceiling is white and the paint is flat. And here's the reason why. The ceiling, you have to think of it like a movie, believe it or not. And it's the supporting cast. And the walls and the woodwork and the furnishings, those are the stars. So when you walk into a room, you're not supposed to notice the ceiling. If you walk into a room and you notice the ceiling first, well, there's something wrong there because it's supposed to go unnoticed. Now, there are additional reasons why a ceiling is white. And white is a neutral and it goes along with anything. You can paint your walls orange, chartreuse, purple, doesn't matter. White is going to complement that color because, again, it's a neutral. The other reason ceilings tend to be painted white is because it adds brightness to a room. It really helps that paint pop, especially if the room is a small room. A white ceiling lightens and brightens a room. So now let's get into the sheen of the paint. Why flat? Why not semi-gloss? Why not gloss paint, right? Well, it has to do with imperfections. Flat paint hides imperfections. And while a ceiling has no distractions, a ceiling, you don't hang paintings from a ceiling, and there's no furnishings on a ceiling to distract you from the imperfections that are present, especially if it's an older home. And there's been a lot of patching over the years. If you were to paint that ceiling with semi-gloss or gloss paint, every imperfection, every patch would be magnified tenfold on a ceiling. It really, really picks up the imperfections, and flat paint really, really hides the imperfections. So that's why ceilings tend to be painted in white paint, and that paint tends to be flat. And if your ceilings are painted in any other color, you may want to consider, well, maybe painting your ceilings white. Now it's time for that bonus that I talked about windows that get painted shut and how the heck to open them up again. There's a tool that makes opening a window that's been painted shut it's a window opener. If you notice, it has teeth like a saw. And what it does is it allows it to really do an effective job of cutting through old built-up paint. Now down at the bottom here, there's a gap, so the window seems fine, but if you travel upward, you'll notice that that gap, well, it closes. And this is the section we're going to work on. What you want to do is you want to take your window opener and you want to lay it flat, just like this. We're going to go and we're going to start at the top and we're going to drag it down. And that's all it's about, is making repeat cuts. If you notice, the teeth are going in a downward direction, so there's no need to go back and forth. It's only going to cut on the downstroke. Once you've done both sides and the bottom, you should be able to lift the window easily. Now, to prevent a window from sticking, all you need to do is this. Now, once you have your window painted, what you want to do is you want to lift it, and then you want to cock it to one side. So when you have a window that's been cocked to one side, what it does is it shifts the window and it reduces the points of contact. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.